Hello everybody, today is going to be a quick video like always. What I'm going to do today is I just ordered this, the TIMBREN SES rear suspension upgrade for the 2023 Jeep. Why did I get this? I'm going to put a picture here. If you see it, you see how it's sagging from the rear because of the RV, the travel trailer. Well, I went online, you can get airbags for the rear, but I was not going to spend $2,000 to $3,000. And the other remedy with a lifetime warranty was the TIMBREN SES suspension upgrade. I want to say I paid $300 for this upgrade here, and I mean it's pretty simple. As you can see here, you can read some of the instructions here. I looked at reviews, I looked online. Everybody that uses it swears by it. What it does is it eliminates the sag, and it also helps with the sway. So I am going to show you real quick what needs to be done, so we can go ahead and put this on here. I already did the outside, so let me show you this side. Here's the original bump stop. Let me show you what the new one looks like. So you go here. There's a sticker. Welcome to the TIMBREN family. This is what it looks like. So, as you can see, let me show you real quick. Here's the one that I took off on the other side. You see the difference? This one is a hard plastic. I don't know, this is like a rubber here, but see the height? It leaves you about an inch and a half gap right here. So the ride will be the same, but when all the weight comes down, it won't sag, and it'll be laying on here, but it will not sag your vehicle or your Jeep. But this is pretty easy to come off. You just gotta put on it. Look, that's how easy it was. And then install the new one. It is a little hard as I try to do it. On the other side, I'm gonna get some dishwashing liquid, pour it right here, and you pry it on the bottom. I got a little crowbar, push it up in here, and once it sits in there, that's it, you're good. See the gap that it has? You're still gonna get the same ride. Now, yeah, of course, if you're gonna go off-roading, do not install this. But just to help it. I'm gonna go ahead and install this and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, just want to show you, literally this one was easier than the other side. Because what I did this time was, I took dishwashing soap, but I wet it. Last time I didn't wet it. Just put the soap. And get one hand underneath one side and the other. Twist it, and it goes right in there. And that's it. So there's the distance, the gap. It's about a 2-inch gap there. And that's it. Hopefully it was a simple, quick video. You like it? Any questions, let me know. And I'll get you to the link. Have a good one.